Marissa, look what we got here. Can you open your mouth? You spit most of that back out. Want to try again? Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Knock it out. You want it in your mouth?
She said I want to do it myself.
You're just working the tongue. You're not eating. There you go. Did you get it off the spoon? You got 2 hands there.
It's all coming off the bottom.
Well, I did the best I could till someone else took over.
She won't let go of the spoon.
We're gonna have to have this is a double team. Someone's gonna hold her hands.
Or get a different spoon. Let her hold that one. She's enjoying it. She did not doing it.
Yeah.
Okay, let me have it. She leaned towards it. Did you see that?
Yeah.
There she goes. Say yum yum. Yum yum.
Yep. Do you want more? You gonna open that mouth? Oh, there you go. Good girl.
I think she likes it.
I caught most of that.
She's trying to get it with her tongue.
Alright, you ready? Do you want some? You gonna open that mouth? You gonna open your mouth? There it is. Marissa. Marissa, open your mouth. She's smiling at Grandma. Distracted. Marissa.
You're sticking your tongue out.
Hey. You want some of this? You gotta open that mouth. Your tongue ain't gonna do it.
Oh no.
You are blowing bubbles with that.
Daddy's a pro at this.
Now you're smiling.
Should I hit stop?
Yeah.